Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start with the National Immunization Schedule Part 2. Actually National Immunization Schedule I can take in a one class only, but I am dividing in the three part so that it will be easy for you to understand. So the first part 1 we have already discussed. So there is one trick to memorize this National Immunization Schedule is that you have to divide the National Immunization Schedule in the three part. Three part means the first vaccine we are giving to pregnant women, second one we are giving to for infant, and third one we are giving to children. So what we can do, first part I have already discussed that to pregnant women what vaccine we can give. In the second part I am going to discuss what vaccine or immunization we can give to the infant. Okay, let's start that. This was already discussed. Then for infant, so today we are going to start with for infant. So for infant, what are the vaccination we can give? First one is Bacillus calmette-guerin, that means BCG vaccine we are giving. When we are giving the BCG vaccine at birth, means as soon as the baby born, that time only we are giving the BCG vaccine. Then in this BCG vaccine, the most important question is what is the dose you are going to give in the BCG vaccine. So dose we are going to give is till 1 month you have to give 0.05 ml. After 1 month till 1 year you have to give 0.1 ml. And if you know in detail about the BCG vaccine, I have already made one video, because BCG vaccine is the very important topic which will come in any entrance exam, and you can understand from that particular video what are the importance questions might come up from this BCG vaccine. So this route is ID, that means intradermal, and the site is left upper arm. And if someone will ask you that why you are giving to the left upper arm, then your answer will be for the universal recognition. तुम इंडिया में भी जाओ, अमेरिका में भी जाओ, जहाँ पे भी जाओ, whenever BCG will give by the health professional, it will be only given at the left upper arm. The site is not going to change. So for this universal recognition, BCG is given at the left upper arm. Hepatitis B, this next vaccine is given hepatitis B, which is also given at birth as early as possible. कब तक देना है? Within 24 hours देना ही है. Then 0.5 ml intramuscularly it is given anterolateral side of mid-thigh. Okay. And then OPV 0 dose. OPV 0 dose is given at birth or as early as possible within the first 15 days. मतलब OPV का जो 0 dose होता है वो पहला 15 days के अंदर ही देना है. How much dose you are going to give? Because OPV is not injectable, we all know oral polio vaccine, so we have to give through orally 2 drops. It is very easy to understand this route and site, because route and site will be always same. Okay, because this is OPV, means oral polio vaccine. Oral, the name itself is saying that it is given through orally, so it is given 2 drops. OPV 1 6 weeks में देता है, OPV 2 10 weeks में देता है, OPV 3 14 weeks में देता है. And OPV can be given till 5 years of age. मतलब 5 साल तक ही polio vaccine you can give to the baby, and other rest are same. So it is very easy to understand. Then next is Penta 1, Penta 2, Penta 3. It is also easy to remember because OPV is also given 6, 10, 14 weeks. Penta is also given in 6, 10, 14 weeks. You just have to remember the doses. Doses are different because that is oral. Orally देता है मतलब drops ही होगा, because orally तो injectable नहीं होगा. So orally it is 2 drop, and in the Penta 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml. Route are all same, you can see, and side also it's all same. Anterolateral side of side of mid-thigh. So I hope you have understood about that, but you have to memorize and you have to revise, then only you are going to remember the national immunization schedule, otherwise you will forget. Then next is PCV1, matlab pneumococcal conjugate vaccine 1. It is given mainly in 2 primary doses, that is 6 and 10 weeks, followed by booster dose at 9 to 12 months. So what they are saying that as Penta 1 Penta 2, Penta 3 you are giving 6, 10 and 14 weeks, but here pneumococcal conjugate vaccine you are giving only in 6 and 14 weeks. Okay, and dose you are giving 0.5 ml, and route IM, and site is enterolateral side of mid-thigh. It is all same like Penta. Okay, then rotavirus 1, 2, 3, it is also same. It is easy to memorize because OPV, Penta and Rota is given in the same time, 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, and the dose you have to remember, this is 5 drops it is given, and if given orally then 5 drop देना है. अगर injectable होगा then you have to give 2.5 ml. You have to remember that about the Rota vaccine. And why Rota vaccine is given? Because so that we can prevent the baby or the child from diarrhea. That's why Rota vaccine is given. That will be your answer if someone will ask you that तुम Rota vaccine क्यों दे रहे हो? Then you have to tell them that to prevent the baby or the child from diarrhea, we are giving Rota vaccine to the child. It is also given orally and the site is also oral. Then next is IPV 1, IPV 2 and measles rubella 1. That means first dose. IPV also 6 weeks में देते हैं. IPV 2 it is given 14 weeks. मतलब 10 weeks यहाँ पे नहीं है. IPV 1 and IPV 2 you have to understand that only 2 fractional doses they are going to give here, and dose is little bit different. You have to remember this because it is 0.1 ml, 0.1 ml. IPV is 0.1 ml, and route is also different here, that is intradermal. It is given 2 fractional dose. 2 fractional dose मतलब 6 weeks and 14. 2 dose दे रहा है ना, that's why they are saying that 2 fractional dose. Okay, and the right upper arm, you know that. Then measles rubella first dose, it is also given 9 completed month to 12 month. It can be given till 5 years of age. मतलब 9 महीने से 12 month तक you have to give that measles rubella first dose to the baby. Okay, and 0.5 ml you have to give. The route is here different, that is subcutaneous and right upper arm. Next one is Japanese encephalitis first dose. It is also given at 9 completed month to 12 months. मतलब 9 महीने से 12 month तक you can give the Japanese encephalitis vaccine. Then next is dose 0.5 ml. Here route you have to remember subcutaneous, and it can be given through intramuscularly also. ऐसा नहीं है कि subcutaneous लिखा है मतलब you can only give by subcutaneous. It is not like this. It is also given by intramuscularly, and the site is left upper arm. The next is vitamin A first dose. It is given at 9 months with measles rubella. Then 9 months with measles rubella vitamin A देते हैं, वो भी first dose. And if someone will ask you what is the dose of vitamin A, you have to say that 1 lakh international unit. 1 lakh international unit, that means 1 ml of vitamin A it is given. Route oral and site is also oral. So I hope you have understood about this part 2 session. That means first is for pregnant women, second is for infant. So under infant we have BCG vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine, OPV 0, 1, 2, 3, Penta 1, 2, 3, PCV 1, first dose only. Then Rota vaccine virus, first dose, second dose, third dose. Then inactivated polio vaccine, first dose, second dose, measles rubella first dose, Japanese encephalitis first dose, and vitamin A1 first dose. So next we are going to discuss in the next class for children, and then we are going to end with this immunization schedule. So I hope you have understood my class. If there is any confusion, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone. Have a good day.